In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to operate the hob on the Cookworks Mini Oven. Please note that both hot plates can be used in operation at the same time, but only the left-hand hot plate can operate at the same time as the oven. The left hob has a higher rating than the right hob, so keep this in mind when cooking. Firstly, place the oven on a stable, flat, heat-resistant surface and away from any flammable materials. Next, check that the timer knob is in the off position. Fully unwind the cable and plug the cable into a main socket. Do not allow the cable to dangle over the edge of units. Then, turn the hot plate control knob for the desired hot plate. Turn the timer knob to the desired time, or to stay on. When ready, place the food onto the hob to cook. We recommend following any cooking instructions to get the best results. To turn off, turn the hot plate control knob and the timer knob to off. For more help and support, refer to your user manual or visit argos-support.co.uk.